Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to show you how I did my vision board. This is not really just for the year. I feel like this is more like a long term because I'm not sure if I will be able to achieve everything this whole year. And this was actually very easy and affordable, more than what you will think. This frame, I got it at Michael's and it was like $5. And these little rhinestones, I actually got these at the Dollar Tree, so they were only $1 for all of these. I printed all the images at Staples. I think I spent about $5 to print those 3 pages. And those images, I got them on Google. I just put them all together in a Word document and went to Staples. I got just scissors and this glue stick. And yeah, that's pretty much all I needed. So stay there if you want to see how I put everything together. So I just cut up all the images and removed the back of the frame. And the frame came with this, all the frames come with this piece of paper in there that you replace it with a picture. But this is what I'm just gonna use to put all of my images in there. And I actually thought that the background, like the design, was super cute. So I'm just going to use that side. And I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna cover all of those ugly letters in there the way I place my images. But in here I'm going in really no particular order. I don't have any preference on how I'm placing everything. I just want to make sure that everything fits in there. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing in here. You can do whatever you want. If you want to have them all straight, if you want to have a pattern, if you don't want any gaps, whatever you want, you do you. It's just your personal preference. This is just what I went. I just went with the flow in here, and that's pretty much it. Just put them all together first before I actually glue them. That way I'm sure that everything fits and that I like how it looks. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after I'm satisfied with what it looks like, then I start gluing everything. And I just glue them one by one, that way I don't forget how I placed all the images. So here I just have them all glued together, and I'm pretty happy with what it looks like. I feel like the little gaps with the design at the background looks really cute with that super light pink with those little star-like shapes in there. And that's pretty much it. It took a little time just to glue everything together, but this was super easy. And I'm just putting the back piece back, and that's it. That's what it looks like. You can leave it just like this, but I wanted to decorate the frame with the rhinestones that I got at the dollar store. So that's pretty much what I did. I wasn't sure what I was gonna do, but I just went with the flow in here, and that's pretty much it. You can use rhinestones, but they also have really pretty tape that they sell at Michael's. I believe each roll is like around $4, and they have really cute designs with different colors. You can also use that and wrap the frame with the tape. In here I just used these rhinestones. They're actually attached by each row, so you don't have to put them all one by one. It's super easy, super quick, and I think it looks super cute. And yeah, that's it. That's my vision board. I'm not gonna explain right now what each image means to me, because this video is gonna be like 20 minutes long and I don't want you to get bored. But if you're curious to know why I picked each and every image, I will leave a full description in the box down below. If you're interested, you can just go and read it. And that's it. That is my vision board basically for the year, but I'm not in a rush of achieving each and every goal this year, because I feel like when I put that pressure on me, I get anxious and I end up not achieving anything at all because I get exhausted. So this is my long-term vision board, And yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button and let me know if you did a vision board and what you thought, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, that way I can achieve one more goal. And I actually just put mine on this stand. You can actually hang it on the wall if you want, but I just put mine in this stand in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.